Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. We talk about a lot in the recent days of the loss of physical media. Um, Blu-rays and DVDs and all of that. What's happening right now is PlayStation announced that by 2028, physical media won't exist anymore. Xbox has kind of hinted that it's going in the same direction. So a future of gaming, and not just gaming, let's put it overall. Someday, physical media, even for movies, like Blu ray discs and stuff like that, might actually stop existing. And it's kind of a sad thing because what was cool about having a physical media was the impression that when you purchased something, you owned it, you had it in your hands. So it was your game, it was your movie, and nobody can take that away from you. And unfortunately, the next steps will mean that pretty much everything we have will be from the internet, big downloads, for games. And that comes at the cost of we don't have that same reassuring, I own this, because we've seen it in some cases where companies actually decided to remove content that people had purchased, and that becomes unavailable. And it's something that should not exist. So this is really, really kind of disturbing. Also, you get the drift because as the size of the games grow, physical media becomes impossible. There's a size limit, and at some point, well, you can't do what you want to do in the size that the physical media is going to give you. There's always a possibility of more than one disc, of course, but I don't know. Slowly, we're on the impression that they're taking away what's ours and controlling it. And that is a bad thing, honestly. There would need to be a way of owning something and knowing that you're going to own it for as long as you want to use it. Because right now, that's not the case. Anybody can revoke any media, any game, any movie at any time, and you paid for it, but hey, we took it off now, so it's too bad. um, which is not the way it should be. So what do you guys think about the loss of physical media, in not just gaming but slowly in every sphere of our technologies? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.